Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to create SAP account for your team to support customer services. The concept of SAP account stands like this. A SAP account should be created by a main account. Then the main account can assign one or multiple links to the SAP account with different authorities. Let me introduce to you step by step. First, go to Setting, SAP Account. Click the button of Add SAP Account. Fill in the related information, including name, account, and password. The password can be changed anytime by the main account. Let's move. Select a notification method. You can choose email, SMS, or none of above. Because the SAP account can sign in to either web and app, you can turn off notifications here to avoid the redundant notifications. When the SAP account users sign in to PinChat, they don't need to renew their passwords. There is no privacy issue here. Because the SAP account is designed to support the customer service tasks for the main account. The main account has full accessibility to all the links and chat logs. Click Save after you finish all the settings. Next, get into the link you are willing to assign the SAP account. Advanced Setting, SAP Account. In the left table, lay out the candidates to be assigned to manage this link. Select your candidate and assign to the right table. Not only this, you can also select the role of the SAP account. Click the information button for more detail about the role. Please remember to assign at least one link to each SAP account. Otherwise, the SAP account users can see any link when they sign into PinChat. For the advanced settings below, you can choose to share the avatar and nickname with SAP account or not. If you choose to share, the customer will experience us interacting with single customer service person. Click Save, and you've done the settings. Last one, you only need to share the account and the password to your team. Then they can sign in to PinChat with authorities of the assigned links. It's easy to find out the SAP account login button in the login page below. Then they only need to fill in the account and password. See? They already can start to help you. Start to use SAP account to enlarge the capacity of your customer service team right now. PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.